Okay. Molecular orbital theory, MOT. So this is according to Hund and Mulliken. Hund and Mulliken explained molecular orbital theory, and according to this theory there are some assumptions. A molecular orbital, it is formed from atomic orbitals, and molecular orbitals are polycentric in nature, and atomic orbitals are monocentric. So when atomic orbitals overlap, then they can form molecular orbital. So these are polycentric, these are monocentric. A molecular orbital is formed from atomic orbitals when they overlap, when they combine, by LCAO method. LCAO method, linear combination of atomic orbitals. Linear combination of atomic orbitals, they can cause formation of what? Molecular orbitals. But number of molecular orbitals equal to number of atomic orbitals. When one s combine, they can give two molecular orbitals, and they are called bonding molecular orbital with less energy and anti-bonding molecular orbital with high energy. And always yes, bond formation occur with BMO, bonding molecular orbitals, because they have less energy. Okay, bond formation occur always with low energy orbitals. Okay. Next, sigma star, pi star. So these are symbol for molecular orbitals. Sigma star, later sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. But 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 2p, 3p, etc. So those are atomic orbitals. But when molecular orbitals are formed, yes, atomic orbitals lose their identity. Here spherically symmetrical, but here cylindrical shape. Molecular orbital structure with geometry, and atomic structure, orbital structure of atoms and molecules. Molecular orbital structures of molecules different. They lose their identity when they form molecular orbital. Okay, molecular orbital. Then one more point that is suggested by Hund and Mulliken. A molecular orbital is formed only when orbitals overlap, but px can overlap. Their energy, let it be 2px, 2px, 2py, 2py, 2px, 2pz, 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 1s, 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 2s, geometry must be same, energy level must be same. Energies and geometries must be same. Yes, only those can overlap, they can give what? Molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals. Then, here I will give you two series for 14 electron system, or even 15, up to 15, and 16 electron system. This is a N2 type, it is O2 type. First I will write N2 type. what electronic configuration of molecules. I'm telling about molecule, not atoms. Electronic configuration of nitrogen atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It is nitrogen atom electronic configuration. But now I will say electronic configuration of what? Nitrogen molecule. And for this we can write like this: sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. Yes, this you have to remember. If it is N2 type or 15 electron system, below 15 electron system, follow this method. And in these we can see pi 2px, pi 2py energy less than sigma 2pz. 2pz energy but more, because here lowest energy to highest energy. I am writing these orders lowest energy to highest energy. In case of N2, first pi 2px, pi 2py, then to sigma 2pz. But in case of O2, opposite. Right? Sigma 2pz here, pi 2px here. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Then sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz. This is for O2 type, this is for N2 type. So if you remember these two lines, you can solve maximum questions from NEET or CET or any competitive exams. Now take example He2 molecule. He2, helium molecule. The electronic configuration of He2 is, yes, answer, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, because He contains 2 electrons. But 2 He, another 2 electron. Therefore, for 1 He 1s2, second He 1s2, then total electrons 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore, we can draw structures. For helium, we can draw this is helium 1s2, 1s2, yes. First 2 electron combine to form BMO, bonding molecular, and anti-bonding sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Therefore, electronic configuration of He2 molecule is this one, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. He2. Then using this we can study bond order, magnetic property, stability, bond length, bond energy. All these we can study by using what? Molecular order theory, it is MOT. And He2, whether it exists or not, you have to decide. But that can be decided on the basis of bond order. Okay? Bond order. Bond order equal to half into number of bonding electrons minus number of anti-bonding electrons. That formula you have to remember. But first I will explain homonuclear molecules or species, and second heteronuclear species. Homonuclear means He2, homonuclear, He, O2, homonuclear, N2, homonuclear, C2, homonuclear, Li2, homonuclear. Heteronuclear, CO plus, NO plus, cyanide, Cn minus. So these are called heteronuclear. But first you see homonuclear. Now what is the bond order of helium molecule? But here bond order meaning number of covalent bonds between the two atoms in a molecule. That is called bond order. If covalent bonds are more, means bond order is more, what about stability? The molecule is said to be more stable. Therefore, higher the bond order, higher the stability. Higher the bond order, higher the stability. For He2 molecule, bond order is 1 by 2 bracket. See here. Sigma 1s2 means bonding. This is BMO, ABMO. BMO is sigma 1s2, 2 electrons. Minus Na, number of electrons in the NT bonding molecular orbital 2 equal to 0. 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 0 by 2, 0. If bond order is 0, bond does not exist. Means He2, it is hypothetical. There is no He2 molecule. We can write He2, but He2 molecule does not exist because there is no bond. Bond order is 0. Okay? It is unstable, does not exist. But if it is He2 plus, whether it exists or not, you can think He2 plus. But electron can be removed or electron can be added only in the NT bonding. In case of He2, see, electron you can remove it from sigma 1s to sigma star 2. From which one you can remove or add? So you can add or remove electron only at what? Sigma star or higher energy level electrons. Therefore, to get a plus, remove electrons here. Now it will become He2 plus. This is a diagram for He2 plus. Then I removed electron from what? ABMO. Therefore, remove electron from ABMO. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 0.5. Means it has some bond order and a plus value. So it may be fraction, but we got bond order and what here positive value. If bond order is positive, yes, bond exists. Bond order negative, bond cannot exist. Bond order 0, bond cannot exist. Therefore, bond order positive, maybe fraction or whole number, it exists and is stable. Therefore, He2 plus exists. He2 cannot exist. Okay. And similarly, He2 minus means higher energy level. That also cannot exist. He2 minus, electron cannot be added. Then He2 double plus, that exists. Double plus means remove this. 2 minus 0, 2 by 2, 1. Yes, He2 plus exists. Okay. Next, which is more stable? He2 plus or He2? Answer, He2 plus because of bond energy. Okay. Then, similarly for hydrogen, we can study for hydrogen. Hydrogen 1s1, 1s1. For hydrogen molecule, yes, this type you can write. But this diagram not necessarily important for H2 2 electron system. Sigma 1s2 possible. Sigma 1s2. Therefore, bond order equal to 1 by 2 bracket NB2 minus ABMO. Electrons in NT bonding 0. Therefore 1. That means H dash H we can write. Bond order, if it is 1, then you will write 1 bond between H and H. Therefore, H2 molecule exists because of its bond order 1. And if it is H2 minus, H2 plus, H2. H2 bond order is 1. But H2 minus, see here. To get minus, electron added, but where electron added? Empty bonding. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 by 2, 0.5. S2 minus 0.5, S2 plus, electron removed from this. Okay, removed. Again 1 minus 0, 0.5. But again, now we think which is more stable, H2 plus, but both have same bond order. Bond order, 0.5, 0.5, and bond length may be equal. Point for bond, because of bond order, equal bond order, bond length is equal. Therefore, H2 minus H2 plus, more stable. Yes, you can see. To get H2 minus, electron added here. Therefore, H2 minus is less stable than H2 plus. But which is most stable? So answer H2. Because of bond energy, higher the bond, because of bond order. Higher the bond order, yes, higher the stability. If bond order is more, energy is more, means bond energy is more. Bond order, bond energy directly proportional. Bond order, bond length inversely proportional. If bond order is more, bond length is less. Bond order is more, means N triple bond N, O double bond O, like that. C triple bond C, C double bond C. Yes. In which case bond order is more? C triple bond C. Therefore, bond length is less in C triple bond C. If bond order is more, bond length is less. Stability, higher the bond order, higher the stability. And bond order indicate number of covalent bonds in the molecular species. Then we can study about O2, O2 plus, O2 minus, then C2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2. So using the molecular orbital theory, and also we solve questions on what MOT. So using the question bank, whatever questions are there even in NEET CET recent year papers, we can study in next video.